She would ruin things for a joke.
We're the screaming skeletons. Who's ready to rock?
Who are these guys?
The biggest band on the West Coast.
I'm digging their vibe. These dudes are fucking vibrant.
So you like them?
No, I have no
Hey.
idea.
All right. The mayor's son, come forward. We got
Christie's.
a surprise for her.
Christiana, you're gonna hurt yourself.
With a birthday boy.
What are you doing?
We're in control and nobody's late at this party. Your daddy hates us.
Christiana, cut it out.
Poor kid doesn't stand a chance.
Sebastian.
Eva. Andrea. Eva. Are you hungry?
Not really.
So should I wait to put the pizza in?
Maybe
I want
you should
some.
put it in now.
Yvonne.
Grab those two behind the counter.
Hi.
Listen up, man.
Christie's. Come here, mamas. Come here, mamas. Hi. Come here. Come here.
This is the mayor's son.
Come on, mamas. Come on.
Make it 50, Copper.
Not you, dog.
Helping them.
Come on, mamas. Get out of the way. Come on. Come on.
A bunch of crazy dogs. Listen to them, man. They're a bunch of crazy dogs. My dad will never let you out of
Hey, Sebastian.
We'll take you to
Christie's, come on, mamas. Come on, baby.
Gonna get to see you again.
Get that out of your mouth.
Another
Yuck.
$50,000.
Like walking around with a chain in your mouth.
Hurry, we gotta get out.
You'll never find.
Oh, forget that.
This video's so long.
Where do you think you're going?
Oh.
Sebastian. Christie's, what are you doing? Get that out of your mouth. Eva, get that from her. She's gonna swallow it. Get it. No, seriously.
Dog show and the bar mitzvah.
Don't give it back. It's dirty now.